Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Looker Studio without having a website. The full step-by-step guide for 2026. A lot of people think Looker Studio only works with websites and Google Analytics, but honestly, that's not true at all. You can use it with many other data sources. So yeah, let's break it down simply. First, open Looker Studio and sign in with your Google account. On the home screen, click Create, then choose Report. This opens a blank canvas where you'll build your report or dashboard. Now comes the important part, choosing the right data source. Since you don't have a website, click Add Data and select Google Sheets. This is one of the most common ways to use Looker Studio without a website. You can track sales data, expenses, leads, attendance, or any custom data you want as long as it's in a spreadsheet. Select your Google Sheets file, choose the correct sheet tab, make sure the first row is set as headers, and click Add to Report. Your data is now connected and ready to visualize. Next, add charts. Click Add a Chart and start with a table, bar chart, or scorecard. Looker Studio automatically pulls in your sheet columns as metrics and dimensions. If something looks confusing, you can always change field types from the data panel. You can also use Looker Studio with other non-website sources like Google Ads, YouTube Analytics, BigQuery, or uploaded CSV-style data through Sheets. So even if you're tracking offline business data or internal reports, Looker Studio still works perfectly. Now clean up the layout, resize charts, align them neatly, and add text boxes for titles or explanations. A clean design helps people understand your data faster. Before sharing, click View to preview the report and check that everything updates correctly. When you're ready, click Share and choose who can view or edit the report. So yeah, that's the full guide to using Looker Studio without a website in 2026. As long as you have data, you can build powerful dashboards. No website required. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.